Today, we will discuss Framer and Shopify. Shopify focuses on e-commerce, whereas Framer has incorporated some e-commerce features, enabling the sale of digital items or smaller scale online transactions. Both platforms offer visual editors, allowing users to create and personalize their websites without requiring extensive coding skill. Both offer themes or templates that users can utilize as a foundation for their website design. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Framer is mainly a robust tool for website design and prototyping. It stands out in designing visually impressive and interactive websites. It provides a significant level of creative freedom, enabling personalized designs and animations. Although it possesses some e-commerce features, its primary strength is in design. Focus on visual aesthetics, engaging interactions, and imaginative adaptability. Web design and prototyping, restricted, ideal for small-scale e-commerce or digital product sales. Shopify was developed to facilitate online sales. It provides a wealth of tools for managing online stores, including product catalogs, shipping, promotion, and payment processing. Its strength is in providing a strong basis for running an online company, administration of internet retailers, all-inclusive and customized for businesses of all sizes, offers customizable themes, albeit with limitations compared to Framer. All in all, if your priority is creating a visually stunning and interactive website, Framer is a strong choice. If your priority is building and managing a robust online store, Shopify is the ideal platform.